has undertaken an audit and documented all death and disability claims from the institutions governed by the PSS Act 2012 that have not been settled from the year 2021 to date. Number 2, provide details on whether the nominated beneficiaries or executors or rightful owners have received the death in service disability benefit in line with this act. Number 3, state when the next of kin of the 4,094 teachers, and I'm happy that Senator Mundigi was raising a concern about teachers, that died since the year 2016, and the over 30,000 recorded occupational illnesses and injuries would be paid their benefit. Number 4, provide details on when further disciplined services like NPS, Kenya prisons, will be fully compensated, noting that there exist over 1,000 outstanding death and disability claims pertaining to period from 2016 to 2018. Number 5, give details on why the National Police Service and the Kenya Prison Service were provided with only 1 year benefit by the National Health Insurance Fund as the insurer, as opposed to 5 years life and death disability as per the PSS Act of 2012. Number 6, state whether the judiciary has procured the insurance benefit for their staff in line with this act. Number 7, give details on whether the Public Service Commission, the Teacher Service Commission, the Judiciary Service Commission, and the National Police Service Commission work injury benefit, or what is referred as WIBA, and the group personal accident, GPA, claims as well as medical benefit and riding covers therein for all public servants. This is the claims which should cover from 2016 to 2023 that have not been paid since the inception of the HRM manual in 2016 have been paid. Number 8, indicate whether the Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Gender, on behalf of the Public Service Commission, wrote a circular to all public institutions on the mandatory, and I want to repeat this, Mr. Speaker, on the mandatory requirement on the PSS Act number 8 of 2012 and the Human Resource and Procedures Manual of May 2016. State, number 9, if the Ministry of Public Service, Youth and Gender, in collaboration with the National Treasury and in compliance with Section F1512, page 101 of the booklet, subsection, source the compensation fund on the Human Resource and Procedures Manual of May 2016, has set aside all budgetary allocation under each procurement plan for each public institution, and whether it has availed it to the National Health Insurance Fund in line with the approvals by the National Treasury, Gazette number 27 of 20th March 2020, Gazette Notice number 3105 of the 17th of April 2020, and Gazette number 4240 of the 16th of June 2020, where NHIF was allowed to operate as a fully fledged licensed insurance company, albeit not regulated by the IRA, to insure the government and all its affiliated personnel. And finally, number 10, Mr. Speaker, indicate if the circular to direct all the public institutions under the PSS Act 2012 provided their staff data to the National Hospital Insurance Fund to facilitate provision of the cited cover with premium